Hey guys, now I haven't forgot about the giveaway. I know everyone out there is like, you said May 21st. On your birthday, you was gonna pick a giveaway. And guys, I wanted to kind of extend the giveaway a little bit. Please don't be mad at me. There's a lot of new subscribers that are coming on board with us. So I want to give it a fair chance for everyone. I just, I think once a month. Oh my god, my fishes are right here, guys, and this blue one is just staring me down like, who are you talking to? So I think once a month is kind of like too close because okay, I'll do the giveaway, you know, pick one at the end of the month and then the beginning start all over and it's like a 2 to 3 week gap, and I wanted to extend it. So June 21st, guys, I will be picking the giveaway winner. To enter the giveaway, just subscribe, turn on the bell, guys, so you can definitely see when I post new videos. You'll be the first ones, and also comment and like my videos. Help me improve my videos. I'm doing this for you guys, not for me, and I want you to tell me what you like, what you want me to do, and I'll be happy to do it. Pretty much that's it. And June 21st, guys, you hear it, June 21st, I will be picking a winner. So stay tuned. Make sure you have that bell on so you can know right away, because whoever I pick, you have 24 hours to message me, whether it's on Facebook or Instagram. Not in the comments, because, you have to give me your information. So like a private DM, and we'll talk, and then I'll give you stuff. So there's a previous post, like a few videos, talking about the giveaway. Whoever wins, you have to let me know what you want, whether it's a gift card, it's a skincare or makeup. So pretty much, if it's a gift card, you tell me you want a gift card to wherever, you know if it's a skincare or makeup, don't give me the name of the makeup or the skincare. You tell me, oh, I want like a cleanser, or just one category. I want a cleanser, or I want wipes, or whatever. Or you want a blush, or you want eyeshadow palette, sorry, whatever. And then I'll go out and I'll find a really good, makeup or skincare on what you want. Pretty much a lot of people are saying they want a gift card. So yeah, that's easier, but whatever, guys, you tell me what you want, whoever wins, and I will make it happen. So I got a pink slip in my mailbox, and it was a package, so I had to go to the post office, guys, and pick up a package. And Culturel sent me something which I'm so excited. This was a post I saw like a few weeks ago, and pretty much you just give your information and they only pick like a certain amount of people that they'll give it to. So in the box, it came with this little thing there, that paper, and then this is like a little tote bag. Guys, this is so cute. Like, you can go to the park with this. This is perfect. This is not plastic or nothing like that. This is a really good material. Sorry about the glare. It's because I switched my room around, so the light is right there. But I have my phone standing up, so once I start doing my videos again, I will definitely prop my phone up more higher, and you won't see that. So let me take these two things out. So Culturel pretty much is like a brand that it's pretty much have to do with your health. So your digestive care, and also, you know, everything like, baby, you're gonna fall. What do you want? The box? Oh, take it. Bye. Goodbye. So there's one for me and there's one for Isabel because this is kids. This is like a powder form. Girl, this is a powder form and you put it in the juice or the water, and this is a pill for me to take. So for the kids, this is pretty much you have to take every single day, and it helps, and it's natural, guys. So this helps for the kids. This helps promote immune support, digestive health. This is the #1 recommend from the doctors. I want like it's dairy free, gluten free, sugar free. And this is like a guaranteed product, guys. So this helps balance all the good bacteria in your digestive tract to help support a healthy digestive system. So this is good, guys. I've seen this because before Isabel would have an issue with using the bathroom. When she was little, it was really bad, guys. It was so bad for her that she'll be in the corner like pushing. I would have to always give her like not every day, but every few days, like enemas, like children's enemas that they're small liquid, and it's gotten to the point like it was bad. She doesn't like vegetables, so it's very hard. You know, the doctor's like, oh, change your diet, give her vegetables, but it's hard to give. I'm not gonna force her to eat that. You know, I'm not gonna do that. So, you know, this is really, really cool. You see, it comes with 30 in there. So I want to see how you give this. Take one package. Let me see how big this is. Take one package, packet daily. So this is direction children 1 year and above. Mix to one packet into cool food or drinks. Do not add to hot food or beverage. Wait, that don't make sense. Okay, it's pack it into cool food or drinks. Do not to hot food or beverage. Okay, so it's like pretty much not hot liquids. Of course, you can't put this in a food. This is a powder form. Of course, it has to be in a Coke. Hello. But yeah. Occasional digestive distress. Take 2 packets per day. Take 2 packets. Take 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. So that's like pretty much someone who has it bad. Good thing, thank God she doesn't. She's not like that no more. She can use the bathroom, you know, often, like once a day or every other day. So this is really, really good. That she's, you know. So I would pretty much give her like 1 every other day. I wouldn't give her 1 a day. Of course, you know, something like this. This is new for your child. You should give it to them early. Isabel, get out. Get up. Give it to them early because you never know. They can get a reaction to it. You never know. So that's my thing. Like with Isabel, if it's something new and she never taken a medicine before or haven't ate something, like it has to be early, because if it's nighttime and God forbid you're sleeping and they having a really bad reaction to something, and anything can happen. So always do it early, guys. So this is amazing, guys. This would really come in handy for me, especially sometimes Isabel gets, you know, constipated. You know, what does it have inside? It doesn't say exactly. Like, it's pretty much I'm looking to see if it says like it has like any things. You know how sometimes they make like vegetables and stuff like that, like in a packet form or in a pill form, but it doesn't have any of that stuff. Okay. And then this one, Isabel. And then this one right here is pretty much the same thing. This helps with upset stomach, including diarrhea, gas, or bloating. You know, it's pretty much the same thing for kids. So this is really, really, really good. Back up. They don't want to see you. Isabel, stop.
You're so comfy. You're so comfy.
It's the same, guys. I don't have to keep reading it because it's the same stuff. And now let's see how many. For is directions 12 years of age and older. Take 1 pill a day. And then if you have occasional like your digestive is like bad, you can take 2, 1 morning, 1 evening. I want to see this. This is cool. I like this, guys. This is really, really good. Me, on the other hand, I am, you know, she definitely got it for me. I'm always having upset stomach for any little thing. And it also has to do with my Paragard, my birth control as well, because that's just, but yeah, I don't go to the bathroom as often as someone should daily. That's not me. So I definitely will try this and, you know, see how this works. If this works good for me, I would definitely purchase it, especially for her, you know, definitely for her, guys. So yeah, thank you to Coach Terrell for sending me this. That's amazing. Like, I'm so excited for this. I want to try this out on Isabel. But yeah, guys, the giveaway is still on. Do not worry. June 21st, I will be picking a winner, so stay tuned. Turn on the bell so you can receive a notification telling you that I upload a video. So in order to win the giveaway, once again, make sure you subscribe. Stay subscribed, please, because Isabel, stop. There was an issue on my last giveaway that I was just losing subscribers and getting messages of saying why I didn't pick more than one winner. You know, I don't want to have that repeating every time I do a giveaway, because I would just not do giveaways. I just would quit and say, you know what, no giveaways, that's it. So yeah, guys, just make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. Help me out. Tell me what you want to see. You know, I want to make good content for you guys. Come. Oh, I love you. You're my baby. Oh, my phone's on the floor, girl. Ow. Say take care, everyone. Say take care. No, look at the phone. Don't tell me. Take care. Bye, guys.